Time now. Money Matters Nashville. Got Wes Wood, president of Wood Financial Group here. Presidential election year. That concerns a lot of retirees, worried that it could impact their retirement. So is it possible to predict how the election hits retirements?
Well, in some cases, I mean, obviously an election year creates a lot of anxiety, a lot of frustration, and with anxiety, frustration, and uncertainty, it can create a lot of volatility in the market. So expect volatility in the market. Now, things to understand is, okay, who gets into office and what could happen? In theory, doesn't always happen this way, but in theory, you look at a Republican candidate, they're going to be kind of more pro-business, less taxes, less regulation, which typically frees up companies to maybe grow more, which could perhaps help the stock market, whereas a Democratic candidate gets into office, perhaps it could be higher taxes, higher regulation, which could sludge up. So typically people vote with their pocketbook, so in some cases people will vote more Republican just to hopefully see the stock market go up. Have to wait to see what happens.
All right, how do we keep any sort of negative impact on those retirement savings?
Well, you want to stick with your plan. Just expect volatility in these types of years when you have an election. Stick to what you're doing. If the markets fall, they're going to recover. Especially if you're young, continue putting money in those 401ks. Continue focusing on buying good stocks and mutual funds that are built for growth. But if you're retired, you may want to consider de-risking. We're at the top of the market. Who's to say it's going to continue to go? Many predictors of the market, prognosticators are predicting some bad times in the market moving forward. If you're retired or close to it, you lose a lot of money in your portfolio right before retirement. In retirement, it can be devastating. So you want to stick to your plan, maybe make some adjustments now, not due to the election, but just due to your whole plan.
Yeah, looking ahead. Okay, and you put all this into this book, Surviving Retirement. In fact, there's a whole kit for you. You can scan the QR code moneymattersnashville.com.